Today on Stu's Cookery class, I'm going to be showing you guys how to slow braise beef short ribs. I've got most of my ingredients out here. Now you're going to need either a large steel pan or a casserole dish. First thing I'm going to do is prepare my veg. So I'm going to dice one whole onion. I'm also going to chop one leek and peel 4 cloves of garlic. Now you could use almost any veg for this, as long as you've got onion and some herbs. So mushrooms, carrots, celery, even sweet potatoes or tinned tomatoes could be added in. Now I'm going to be putting my potatoes in with the beef, but you could do yours separately as mash or roasts, or just make it really nice and easy like I have done here, and chopped up some potato and thrown it in so it's all ready at the same time. Once all your veg is ready, you want to take your pan or dish and put a good amount of oil in, about 4 tablespoons. Season your meat all over and start to sear it off once the pan's red hot. You'll notice the oil in my pan's just smoking. That's exactly how you want it. Now you'll see I've got some really good colour on this, and I'm going to do that on every single side of the meat. Once that's all sealed, you can take it out, set it to one side, and throw your onions straight in. You'll notice I turn my heat down a bit here because I don't want to burn my onions. Once they've started to cook, you can throw in your herbs. I've got some fresh rosemary and thyme, as well as some dried mixed herbs, about 3 tablespoons of those. But you could do with this with just dried herbs if you wanted to. I'm also going to add in my garlic. Just keep it sweating down. Once the onions are starting to go golden and a little crispy around the edges, you're ready to add the rest of your veg, in which case I'm just using leeks. Once they've started to soften, I'm just adding 1 beef stock cube and some gravy granules, about 2 tablespoons. Now I'm going to add some red wine, but this step's optional. You could use half a can of stout or ale instead, but it would work with just water. Now I'm not too concerned about reducing this down because it is going to be cooking for so long, and the gravy granules will thicken this up a lot. So I'm just going to top this up with water. Then going to place my beef back in the pan and pour my potatoes over the top. If you aren't adding your potatoes here, then just ignore this step. And then just going to top the pan up with water until the meat's really thoroughly covered, so that I don't have to keep checking on it while it cooks. I'm now going to add a good spoon of red currant jelly. This is just for some extra flavour, along with some English mustard to complement the beef. I'm just going to bring this up to the boil, put a lid on, and put it in the oven on 150 for 3.5 to 4 hours. And that's it. Really simple, really easy, and really tasty. If you like this video, why not check out my midweek meals playlist, or something sweeter like my blackberry and apple strudel. Thanks for watching.